Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the right-click menu in Windows 11. If you're like me, you're not a big fan of this new menu and you want the full menu that was present in Windows 10 and previous versions in Windows 11. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get that menu back. Okay folks, so today we're going to be editing the registry. Anytime you do that, it could cause problems with the system. Because of that, you always want to make sure you have a full backup before you perform any of the steps I'm about to show you. Okay folks, now that we have the warnings out of the way, we're going to go ahead and open the registry editor. So I'm going to type in regedit here. Say yes to run as an administrator. And we're going to go in here to HKey current user. And we're going to go to software, classes, and then I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to type in CLSID after that. That's going to open up this down here. Now what I will do in the video description, I'll link to a Reg file that I created that'll allow you to quickly add this to your registry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a new key, and I'm just going to copy and paste this in. I'm going to right click, I'm going to say new key. I'm going to paste in this value here. I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to create another new subkey under the new one that I just created. And I'm going to paste that in there. Now here's the interesting part. I'm going to go over here to the right. See how it says data value not set? I'm going to double click this. Value data is empty, and I'm just going to say OK. And notice now that there's nothing there where it says data. That's what we need. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say exit. And notice when I right click, still have the new Windows 11 context menu. So what I'm going to do, you can reboot, or you can open up the task manager and you can restart the Explorer process. That's what I'm going to do quickly here. Here I'm just going to right click and I'm going to say restart. This will restart the Explorer process. Now when I right click, I have my classic context menu back. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps others find quality content on YouTube, and we really appreciate it. Click on subscribe, and then click the bell to get notified anytime new content is added. As always, comments, questions, and suggestions are welcome below, and we thank you very much for watching.